ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. So ಇವತ್ತು spoken Kannada lesson for adults, and today is a very special lesson about Deepavali. Yes, so in Kannada we don't pronounce as a Diwali because Diwali has a one more meaning which says that the person who has lost everything, who has lost the property, who has lost his money, who has lost everything, that is called a Diwali in Kannada. So we never use Diwali, never say happy Diwali. So Kannadadalli Diwali has completely different meaning, so please never use Diwali in Kannada. Kannadadalli please always pronounce as a Deepavali. So today we are learning few sentences which is related to Deepavali festival. Okay na? So let's learn. So first so Deepavali we all know it's a festival of lights. Deepa and light. So light of the diya. So how do I say is Deepa Hachchu. With respect, Deepa Hachi. Okay na? So next one is Deepa keep it far. Deepa Dura Idu. Deepa Dura Idu or Idi. Keep the diya far. Keep Deepa Dura. Deepa Dura Idi. Then the most important is burst the crackers. So crackers is Pataki. Pataki Hodi. With respect, Hodiri. Pataki Hodiri. Now I want to say I don't burst crackers. I won't burst crackers. Nan Pataki Hodiyalla. I won't burst crackers. I'm not writing in English. I want you to make a note of that one. Okay, sorry. Nan Pataki Hodiyalla. I won't burst crackers. Nan Pataki Hodiyalla. I don't like crackers. So Nange Mujhe Yanaki. Nange Pataki Ishta illa. Nange Pataki Ishta illa. I don't like Pataki. If you want to say I like Pataki, then you would say Nange Pataki Ishta. So Ishta illa is don't like. Ishta is I'd like it. Okay na? Next one is don't burst the crackers. Don't burst the crackers is Pataki Hodibedi. Hodibedi. Pataki Hodibeda is a singular version. If you want to say don't burst crackers here, then you would say Illi. Illi Pataki Hodibedi. Don't burst crackers here. Illi means here. Burst crackers there. Burst crackers there. Alli. Alli Pataki Hodiri. Alli Pataki Hodiri. Burst crackers there. Okay na? Next one. Be careful. Be careful is Husharu. Simply you can say Husharu or you can say Husharagiri. Husharagiri. Or simply you can say Husharu. Be careful. Okay? Next one, stand far. Dura Nilli. So singular is Nillu. Okay? Next, don't come near. Don't come near. Hatra Barbedi. Hatra Barbedi or Hatra Barbeda. Clear? Okay. Next, be there itself. Be there itself. Alle iri. Alle iri. Stand there itself. Alle nilli. There is a cracker. Pataki ide. Pataki ide. Okay. Next one, I have just made a note of every sentence so that I should not miss anything. So these are the very basic sentences that we use it. And there are some Pataki names. So Pataki and the crackers, we learned it. Then if you want to say flower pot, that is called Hukunda. Hukunda. Then you have a chakra, right? The wheel which rotates on the ground. That is called Bhu Chakra. Bhu Chakra. Then you have a sparkles, which you will use it to light up the flower pot. That is called susurbatti. Susurbatti. Okay. Next we have ಏನಂತಾರೆ the 100 wala, 1000 wala. That is called sarra pataki. Not Sara, Sarra. Okay, Sarra pataki. Sarra pataki. So these are the very basic words mate sentences. I have written everything in English, but I have not given the English sentences. I request you to note it down, the English sentences, when you write it down. Okay na? So please make a note of that one. And if you find if you think that you have many more sentences that you want to know in Kannada, please do let me know in the comment section, so that I can help you out with the Kannada translation for all those sentences or the words. So share this video with your friends and celebrate Deepavali a little bit of in Kannada this time. Okay na? And never forget that Kannadadalli it's not a Diwali, it's a Deepavali in Kannada. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಪಟಾಕಿ ಹೊಡಿರಿ, ಸೇಫ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. From Yashaswi Kannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2 vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.